many of you either have lost a loved one directly to the coronavirus or know people who have. And you may also find that you've lost a loved one not from the coronavirus, but are grieving from that. So the first purpose of these qualities were how to get through grief, but they can also be used to build resilience and cross the ocean that we're in now. And instead of just surviving, to thrive. So that's the first thing. I called them life preservers because as you cross the ocean, you may want to, instead of drowning, you want to reach out for something and hold on to it. So the qualities are, in order, courage, hope, faith, spirituality, optimism, humor, patience, joy, and compassion.